Lacking energy in your tracks? Let me show you how to inject energy to your tracks in 2 minutes. Let's add simple white noise to increase energy levels. If you want to be a bit more flashy and make something a bit more coherent with your track, you can actually use resampling and resample noises from your own track. For example, let's play the lead sound of our track, then add a long reverb, add another reverb to really mash it, and then click on freeze and turn off the origin signal. New track, resampling. Now pitch that resample sound 1 octave up and add some EQ and sidechain compression. Together, you can actually layer this one with white noise to make it even more energetic. Now, these are actually made for high frequency, so we filled up our high frequency range with the energy, but we also take care of the mid frequencies. I like to do it with parallel compression. So we have these percussion loops here. The first thing, create a return channel, a bit of reverb, a bit of overdrive, and out of glue compression. And blend in the origin signal. Let's try again with the track. And finally, you can actually use another return channel for your lead sounds to fill up the ambience and feel it more energetic. Now, if we play all together, like and subscribe for more tips like this.